Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to add movement to your images in Capcut. So let's get started right away. Okay, so we are in the Capcut editor. So the first thing you want to do is add some images to this to the track. So we have here Brian Griffin and SpongeBob. So what you want to do is, for this image, we're gonna make a zoom effect to make it move. So now it's like this. Wait, actually, let's change the size here. So now it's like this, and we want to zoom it in. So what you want to do is click on add a keyframe right here. Then just play to the part where you want to stop. So let's say we want to stop here. We click on add a keyframe and position. Now we just change the position to this, and if you play it right now, it makes a zoom effect till this keyframe right here. And now we have our friend Brian Griffin here. So what we first want to do is add a keyframe, click on position. So now we're just gonna zoom him out until this point. So if we zoom him out, now we have the keyframe right here, as you can see. And from this point you want to actually rotate the guy. We're just gonna stand here, and we click on position rotate. Now we want to rotate until here, then we're just gonna turn him around and put him like that. And now he is positioning to there and rotating, and it's actually very easy to do. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.